we are delusional in thinking that this we can win this war. People are still just stuck in the 1990s and watch too many Rambo movies. We are in a new era of warfare where it is missiles, drones, air defense, electronic defense systems. Guess what? America is not number one in any of those categories, not by a long shot. So it doesn't. We'll see what happens. I mean, look, Ukraine finally got their F-16s. We've been talking about, okay, yeah, our Air Force is really our crown jewel. But what is it going to do? Let's see what can it do against the Russian air
Yeah,
defense systems. Nothing.
right. Well, I
It
think
does,
it's, yeah, I think even like the Ukrainians themselves, I believe Sersky was saying that they're going to keep them over in West Ukraine.